Hi guys, today we're doing a tutorial on these nails. This is called the Nimbus nail art technique, and it was created by the Sammersaurus. I will have her linked below. I love this technique. It is so easy and incredibly versatile. You could use any color combination. So let's get into the tutorial. I started out with a base of Summer in the City from Moonshine Manny. I'm using China Glaze Life's a Beach, China Glaze Nice Caboose, Moonshine Manny Take Only What You Need to Survive, Froggo Varnish Rancid. You need something to put your polish on. I use this plastic lid for my polish puddles, Q-tips, and acetone. Alright, so first things first, we have to make some little polish puddles on our lid. Okay, and dip your Q-tip in your acetone and go in to your color. I like going darkest to lightest. Well, I guess this isn't technically the darkest one. Oh well. And just make dots. Now, with the Q-tip, you need to make sure that you are switching Q-tips with at least every color, because this is what happens to me. I also wanted to mention the more polish you get on your Q-tip and the harder you push, the more you get the darker ring around the outside. So, depending on what look you like, now you know. Alright guys, I think we are about done. A few more little tiny tips. So after you soak your Q-tip in your acetone, I make sure that when you're putting it in the polish, I roll it, because of it getting all those little frayed pieces on the ends. Rolling it into the polish like this helps with that problem. Also, like I said, make sure you switch at least once every color. Your Q-tip is going to disintegrate quickly and you're going to get little pieces of cotton ball in your polish. You see that right there? See all those little pieces of cotton? It happens. Top coat fixes that. Also, like I say with any design like this, always make sure you go off the edges. Yes, I know it makes a mess, but it makes the manicure look more complete and you can clean up easy peasy. No harm in making a little bit of a mess. Alright guys, that is the end of our tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this super easy nail design. Like I said, it is not my original idea. I will link the Sammersaurus down below. She also has a tutorial on how to do this design. It's so easy and so versatile. You could use literally any color that you wanted. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know if you recreate it. I would love to see, and I'll be back very soon with another video, so I'll see you then. Thanks guys. Bye.